How to fix printer driver is unavailable on Windows 10? We've prepared several methods, so make sure you try them and see which one works for you. Option 1. Update your Windows 10. Go to search icon and type Update. Select Check for updates. If there are updates available, Windows will install them automatically. After Windows has completed updating, restart your PC. Try to print something from your PC and check if the problem has been fixed. Option 2. Reinstall your printer driver. You could perform the update manually through Device Manager or by visiting the official website of your device manufacturer to search for each one of your drivers. It's a long and complicated process. We recommend you use OSLogic's Driver Updater to scan for all outdated and faulty drivers on your PC. It will automatically install the latest manufacturer-recommended versions. Download OSLogic's Driver Updater from the link in the description. Install Driver Updater. Run it on your computer and let it scan for potential problem drivers. Go through the prescribed steps and instructions for driver updating. Restart your PC. Try to print something from your PC and check if the problem has been fixed. On the OSLogic's channel, we help Windows 10 users to fix system bugs. We create software for you to get the most enjoyable experience from your PC. Subscribe to OSLogic's and write about the difficulties of your PC in comments. Reinstall printer driver manually. Press Win+R to open Run. Type devmgmt.msc and press OK. Right-click on your printer and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. If your printer is plug-and-play, the process is much easier. In this case, you will need to unplug or disconnect your printer from your PC, connect it again, and follow the instructions outlined in the wizard. If the wizard does not appear, go to Start, Settings. Click Devices. Select Add a printer or scanner. Wait for the system to detect your printer and follow the on-screen instructions. Do you need to fix other PC issues? Let us know in the comments below and we might feature the solution in our next video. Video was created by OSLogic's Labs, the leading developer of Windows optimization software.